shall love the Lord with all your heart. Shall love the Lord with all your mind, your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. Anak kayo nakagumpisar ka na po, Pade. You shall love the Lord with all your soul. You shall love the Lord with all your mind. With all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. Oh Lord, I love you. For all these Lord, I love you. For all the things you do, Lord, I love you. Help me love you more, Lord, my Lord, with all my soul, with all my mind. Oh Lord, I love you. For all the things you are, Lord, I love. For all things you do, Lord, I love you. And I'll love you more, with all my heart, with all my soul.